In this video, I'm cooking some hot honey and garlic chicken wings. Unfortunately, it's a little too windy outside to do them on the Weber, so I'm going to deep fry them. So I've got a little bit over a pound of wings here. These are already separated, drumettes and flats. The only thing that I've done to these is took some paper towels and dried them off just a little bit so that the skin will get crispier when we fry them. I'll be seasoning these with some homemade barbecue rub. I'll leave a link in the description to the recipe for this. I'll just turn these over and get the other side. I've got some peanut oil here that I've got up to about 350 to 375 degrees. I'm going to start dropping these in. I like to keep the oil between 350 and 375 degrees. That's hot enough to get the skin nice and crispy, but it's not so hot that it'll burn the outside but leave the inside raw. They're coming along, but they still need a few minutes. I want to make sure they get at least 165 degrees. But on top of that, I really want to make sure the skin gets really nice and crispy. The color's looking nice on these. The skin's getting really crispy. I think they're running around 185 internally, which is fine. They won't dry out like breast will, so I'm going to go ahead and start pulling these. These are looking nice and golden brown, and I'm going to go ahead and sort of hit them a little bit one more time with this barbecue rub, just for a little bit of extra flavor. And we'll go ahead and start putting the sauce together. I've got a skillet on medium heat. I'm going to put a stick of butter in that, let that start melting. We'll go in with a little bit of garlic, a little bit of crushed red pepper flakes, after the garlic and the pepper flakes have cooked for about a minute or so, go in with about 1/4 cup of hot sauce of some kind. A little bit of a good barbecue sauce of your choice. Now go in with about 1/4 cup of honey. That'll thin out just a little bit once it gets into that heat. This is actually some local honey. If you can't find local honey, just buy some at the grocery store. It'll work fine too. I'm going to stop right there. Don't need to cook too long, just for a couple minutes or so to let all the flavors blend together. Go ahead and kill the heat. You just want to toss these around in the sauce a little bit, get them all coated evenly. Man, you're talking about an explosion of flavor there. We've got the honey and the barbecue sauce gives it a little sweetness. You've got the garlic, and then to finish it off, it's got a little bit of a heat to it. Those were a little bit spicy. So if you cook those, if you don't want a little bit of a heat, you might want to back off on the hot sauce and back off on the red pepper chili flakes, and you can just kind of use the ratio that you like, that suits you. If you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and let me know in the comments what's your favorite wing sauce. Maybe leave the recipe and I'll try it sometime. I appreciate you watching this one. Check out a few more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.